Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this positive Canthal tilt filter on TikTok. So this is the filter. To get this effect, what you have to do is just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the effect. Suppose you can't see the effect here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and here search for positive Canthal tilt. Okay, the first one. This is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for positive Canthal tilting filter. Okay, you will see the effect icon on the top row. Tap there, you will be directed to the effect page. Okay, now on the bottom of the screen, tap on use this effect and you can use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it here about the filters. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.